How about we role play? I just wanna take it off for you. How about we role play? I just wanna take it off.
Yeah, rolling with my niggas, but I'm all up on your bumper. I was tailgating you, shorty. I was hoping for that number. I like you, I like change. Oh, you knew? That's my thing. What a coincidence. What's your name? Shit, I just wanna be your main. Shit, I'm the type to stay in my lane. Could've been an actor, play my role.
Yeah.
This is my brother Walt. Stay in my lane. Should've been an actor, play my role. To say I'm the other man, I'm ashamed. I just some space and chasing
We role play. Just wanna take it off. Baby, let me take it off.
Yeah. Mente on the caliente. My nigga Justin the plug. Nick the manager. Ivy the inspiration. Yeah. In these days I regret you. I wish I could forget you. I asked God why I met you. I've always been honest. Never broke a promise. I treat you like you're honest. Always been modest. Call you the finest. Never let your friend go honest. You like selling cake. You like selling cake. I get all this money, then I spend it. I wonder if one day I regret it. Drinking dark at the bar with Cena. I love her eyes, affectionate demeanor. Damn, she could probably be the one, but she say she don't cook. I don't think it can be done. Maybe it's a waste. Still want to taste. Kiss on the cheek, it's a smile on the face. Say I broke the wall, damn, why she let it down? Now I had about enough letting good women down. When I come to the valley, she show me her town. I wonder when I'm about to stop coming around. I wonder how long it'll take. That's a mistake they can change it back. Boy, you say you'll change it us, yeah. We so dangerous, notorious, they'll change it us, yeah.
Uh, 102.3 KJLH. On behalf of my boss, Stevie Wonder, who sent you guys.
I prayed to God one day and I was like, yo. And then that's how I talk to my God. I don't know how y'all talk to yours, but mine, we have a real conversation. Everyone has their own specific journey, and mine, I just knew that I loved right. And everybody been coming out. It's a Friday night, y'all can be doing whatever, anything.
Yeah.
I appreciate y'all for being here and rocking with me.